We are outside of the Denver Energy Center. And looks like we got two different towers, although I think they're the same height. Oh, this one's one floor taller, so we'll film this one. Gotta get the tallest elevator, of course, for the video. Obviously. Can't go around getting the short stuff. Don't take that in a weird way. Alright. Let's say hello to the non-existent front desk person. And, oh, what the hell? Oh, wow, I guess these used to be SchindlerHaughton. Maybe they still are. Wow. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they definitely used to be. As to whether or not they still are is a mystery. At least until I see the buttons. Look at that. That's where the SchindlerHaughton logo would be. Ah, phooey. Oh, this might be a double fail. This isn't looking good. Oh, okay, we're going up. All right. Well, we got to the single lowest floor from the lobby, or besides the lobby that this serves. All right, let's see if we'll get anywhere. Jeez, dusty buttons. Nope. All right, back down to one. Well, at least we got some sort of a ride on it. I love this cab, though. This is a very nice cab. Interesting buttons. Look at that. They're like California code version of Epco WGN, I believe. It's like WG9 or something. Maybe the low-rise bank will have some luck. There's the original button. It's SchindlerHaughton. Let's see. 14. Okay, cool. We can go to 14. This is pretty quick for low rise. Interesting. You know, I really thought these were Dover before I came here. But I guess they're SchindlerHaughton. Well, not original, but still. Looks like an older mod. I've never seen these fixtures used. Wow, that's a bit early to cancel the call. I got the button goes out before you even start moving. Car 1. Interesting, yeah, these are the old fire service controls. Alright, well. Oh, look, I wonder what's going on with this. They're all out of service. Maybe the buttons are original in this? Nope, still mounted. Okay. Well, that's it.